Hello everyone, it's Deep and welcome back to my channel. So today I thought let's have a talk with you. I just wanted to put my thoughts in front of you, and right now it's 10 o'clock and I had to go to bed, but I thought no, let's have a talk with you because I think it's been 4 or 5 days and I didn't make any video, a long video. I made short videos, but I didn't make any normal long video. Long video about 5 to 10 minutes. So I just wanted to put my thoughts in front of you. And the thing is, see, I put this priority to talk in front of the camera, talking to you in English. It's all because of my interest, my willingness. It was all because of this interest, this much interest, I would say. And due to this much interest, I always be in the mood to make my own videos in which I explore my English. Sometimes I don't get time for this, and I'm not making excuses, any sort of excuse I'm not making right now. But yes, since I'm a housewife and I'm having to do lots of work, and each and every moment I don't feel that liberty, that freedom. And in spite of having all those mess, I'm being able to talk, to make my own videos, to put my thoughts in front of the camera, in front of you. So why this is happening? It's all because of, I earlier mentioned, it is just all about learning English. The way you have the interest within yourself, the more you have time to do lots of creativity, to get yourself prepared, to do lots of practicing, and it depends on your interest, and as well as the capacity to talk. And how come this sort of capacity comes? I would say here that when you start talking without thinking any type of negative thoughts about your English, and you just have to talk when you feel like this, and you initiate that I have to talk, and you initiate your conversation in English, or you put your thoughts in English. That's how you start holding onto this language, holding on to the grab. Okay. And today maybe I feel like little bit low. I seem to be little bit low, but I'm not that much low. The thing is, I just wanted to convey my thoughts, my perception, and which is, I just wanted to ask you something. Have you ever noticed me that I never ever use heavy, fancy, concrete vocab words, or I never ever use so complex grammar rules, never ever use. I use only simple, basic grammar rules to convey my thoughts to you. And this is what I just wanted to tell you, that having lots of grammatical rules and going for a hunt to search new words, vocabularies will never get you results. If you want to have a command over English language, and this is fact, mark my word, it has to be happen. If you collect lots of words in your mind, see, searching words, I'm not saying that it's bad or it's not that good enough. This is good thing, but what's the point you are not being able to retrieve that word, so called word, when you speaking in English, when you are in a conversation and you feel like I'm missing something, I'm missing that exact word, because filling lots of words in your mind and having lots of grammatical rules deeply will never get you results. Start with small talking, small simple talking, and the major thing is that you are talking in English. If you're not being able to do so, you feel like hesitating, you feel like I'll get falter, I'll get slipped of tongue, then nothing is good here. I also, many a times I also get stuck, and sometimes I feel like I'm not getting the exact word. Then I substitute. Maybe it sounds like a little bit monotonous or boring to you, because I, each and every moment I reiterate this thing, I repeat this thing again and again, but I'm so helpless in this way. Actually, I just want to inculcate this thing in your mind, that you just have to remember this simple so simple talk in your mind each and every moment, that keep on doing speaking, practicing. It will definitely get you results. When you start speaking, gradually you'll feel like confident, you'll feel like having no fear. You feel like the fear is automatically get disappear, it already vanished, and that's how you will get motivated to finish your conversation, and at the end of the day you'll feel like it was nothing having talked with the person in English, and I did a great job. You feel like this. Remember what I'm saying to you, and mark my word, this is the fact and this is going to be happen. If you do so, if you follow this each and every time, but whenever you get time, just start talking, surround yourself with English. And in this way, I wanna tell you that I'm not having anyone to talk in English. That's why I each and every time make you feel boring saying that talk in English and do speaking practicing, because I don't have any other option. I can just put my thoughts, my concept, my opinion to you, and that's how I do my speaking practicing. Apart from this, I have no other way to talk in English. Sometimes I do my self talk in English, not every time I do so, and I'm telling you whatever I do in my daily routine. I'm not being able to do this much practicing, so that's how I make my speaking practicing ready when I do self talk or talking to you in front of the camera. That's how I do my speaking practicing. I don't have anyone to talk in English. So if I can do this, you can also do so. You can also have a command over English while doing such speaking practicing, doing self talk, doing lots of speaking practicing every single day. So hope you like this video. Stay tuned. Thank you.